Good day everyone, you are welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to calculate Enhanced Vegetation Index. In the previous video, I've introduced you to Enhanced Vegetation Index, the importance of Enhanced Vegetation Index, and the application of Enhanced Vegetation Index. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to calculate it from Landsat satellite image. So the formula to calculate Enhanced Vegetation Index is designed to maximize sensitivity in high biomass regions and to maximize atmospheric interference. So this is the formula for calculating Enhanced Vegetation Index, which is equal to G multiplied by open double bracket near infrared minus red, close the bracket, divided by open bracket near infrared plus C1 multiplied by red minus C2 multiplied by B plus L, then you close the bracket. And in this formula, G stands for 2.5 and L is equal to 1, and this L stands for adjusted for canopy background, whereas C1 and C2, C1 is equal to 6 and C2 is equal to 7.5, and this C1, C2, they are coefficient for atmospheric resistance. Now, if you are calculating it using Landsat 4 to 7, this is the formula. And if you are calculating Enhanced Vegetation Index using Landsat 8 or Landsat 9, the formula is this. So now, let's go to ArcGIS and do the calculation. If I open ArcGIS and bring in the bands I want to use, I'll click on Add Data, navigate to where you have that data, and bring in the data. Remember, in our formula, I'm using Landsat 8, which means I need band 5, band 4, and band 2. So let's go back to ArcGIS. So here I'll bring in band 2, I'll bring in band 4, then I will bring in band 5. I'll click on Add. So you can see I have my 3 bands here. So let me just adjust this so that you can see it. So this is band 2, band 4, band 5. For it to be easier, let's rename it. So this is band 2. Let's just put B2. This is band 4. Let's just put B4. And this is band 5. Let's put B5. Yes. So we have band 2, band 4, band 5. Let me now adjust this again. Yes. Now to calculate Enhanced Vegetation Index in ArcGIS, come to Arc Toolbox. Come to Spatial Analysis tool. Scroll down and come to Map Algebra. Then double click this raster calculator. So this will open raster calculator. Then here we will input our formula. Recall, for Landsat 8, this is the formula. Enhanced Vegetation Index is equal to 2.5 multiplied by, you open double bracket, band 5 minus band 4 divided by, then you open bracket again, band 5 plus 6 multiplied by band 4 minus 7.5 multiplied by band 2 plus 1, then close all the brackets. So let's input this formula in raster calculator. So to do that, put your console here, then it will be 2.5 multiplied by open bracket band 5 minus band 4, close the bracket, divided by open bracket band 5 plus 6 multiplied by band 4 minus 7.5 multiplied by band 2 plus 1, then close the bracket totally. So this is the formula. Then output raster. Navigate to where you want to save it. Here, let's just save it as MV2. For instance, click on save and click on OK. So the process calculation is ongoing. It will calculate the Enhanced Vegetation Index for us. Yes, it is done. You can see the result here. So let me now close this. Then if you come here, you can see, let me adjust here. You can see the range from minus 0.49 to plus 0.74. So here we can change the color. Let's change the color ramp, let's say to this, and invert it and click on OK. Or if you are not satisfied with this color, you can change the color. Let's change the color to this. Click on OK. Yes, this is our Enhanced Vegetation Index. Let me uncheck this, and you can play along by changing the color. So this is our Enhanced Vegetation Index, and this is how to calculate it in ArcGIS using Landsat satellite image. In the next video, we'll be looking at the classification of Enhanced Vegetation Index and its application. Thank you for watching.